No matter with when I come down, me I go roll a ground and laugh after you. So Charlie, talk about hygiene now. So Charlie, and I think it might have been Leonie or somebody going up Melrose Hill, and they usually have a man who sell roast yam and saltfish on the old Melrose Hill, not the new one.
Right.
Anyway, so I pull over and stop and was going to buy him saltfish and him roast yam, and him say, like him call him man, Master John, you know, see man thing. Next thing say Master John, I come from out the bush as if up in pots. Hear him, Master John, those just I heal you up, alright, we see you.
Not going to buy anything from him
You
again.
understand? Because it clearly, him just put up in pants and him come down, no hand, no wash.
Right.
Oh man, but Charlie was the best.
Yeah.
Charles Hyatt was simply the best. Charlie and Charlie in St. Anne with his wife, gone to visit his wife's mother. And I don't know how they manage it. I think it's a BMW, but they come out of the car and the key lock up into the car and the engine are run or something like that. And I get a call in Kingston. He had a show on at the time on Power 106 on Sunday evening. I get a call in Kingston. And I'm vexed, like I'm vexed with himself because this I'm vexed with everybody. And him come, I'm do the show and take. And when him done the show, we go pick him up a power and carry him home and say, see, there's one toothbrush here. We had, when I was at Covington Close, he would just arrive sometimes and say, all right, I'm going to use the washing machine now. That's what I never tell me, just go in there and bring fish. And him go in the kitchen and him scale the fish and him friend. It's that kind of friendship we have.
Yeah.
You know, that kind of friendship we have. Charles Hyatt, man. Some things that we know. On that same Melrose Hill, you know, Teino.
Yeah.
I spent 1 year with the Jamaican folk singers. I remember Jamaican with an N.
Yeah.
And late Dr. Oliver, of course, the founder and the artistic director. And we did an all-island tour. This was either 73 or 74, because my year was 73 to 74. And we are coming down, we are coming down Melrose Hill. Two things I'm going to tell you, there's so many things. But we're coming down Melrose Hill, you know, after the weeks of, or week, whatever, touring. And, you know, we're in a coach. Berger Payne sponsored it. And Keith Campbell, who is now the head of PBCJ.
Oh, yeah, where is he?
Keith was a videographer then. And we have come down Melrose Hill, and the coach had the tree at the top where you put in the thing.
Yeah.
Somebody put an iron up there, but the iron was in the back. And the iron comes straight down and lick Keith in our head. So we tell everybody, say Keith head lick long time. The other thing, we're performing at Brompton in St. Elizabeth, in a school room. And we're there singing and moving and dancing. And next thing we know, half of the room popped down and half of in a cellar.
What?
And guess what? There's Olive Lewin, you know?
Yeah.
Keep singing, you are performing.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh, yeah.
You stay who in there cellar stay there, sing with their mezzo soprano or also our bass or whatever. And over. Yeah, keep singing. And I tell you, it's that kind of discipline.
Oh,
That
yeah.
kind of professionalism that people like Wycliffe Bennett,
Oh, yeah.
Easton Lee, Olive Lewin,
I'm telling you.
Yes,
all of them people in the early days, Trevor Rohn, who
Yeah.
And
instilled.
yesterday was the anniversary of the death of Lloyd Kellenborough, Miller.
Exactly. No, their birthday as well.
Yes,
Her birthday.
Yesterday.
And you know,
100.
I just think I was very super blessed to have had the opportunity to be born when I was born, to be in the same space
Right.
as these people. And Louise Bennett, Randy Williams, their first pantomime, can you imagine? Me and Oliver Samuels and Ruth O'Shea, and there was one of the person from theatre school. We're not allowed to do a commercial play while you're at school, but we lobbied and we got it. 71, Music Boy, with a real music studio arrangement on top, with Chris Leon
Yeah.
and a band on stage, not in the orchestra pit. The Boris Gardner happening.
Wow.
Lord Almighty. Oh man, those were the days.
Yeah.
Those were the days.
We have a lot to be
I'm just
grateful.
grateful.
Yeah.
Think of people like Inez Hibbert, right? She didn't have major roles in pantomime, so she was a standard in pantomime with a medium-sized role, but a wonderful woman. You know, then I mean, doing a pantomime with Marjorie Wiley and Pauline Stone, Maya Ray, and them people there. The late Raymond Hill, oh, he was superb at mime and acting and a singer. There's just so much. This is at the Ward Theatre. Not so much on stage, but maybe off stage.
Oh, yeah.
Now at the Ward Theatre, we are in parade, but we are on Luke Lane. So you enter the theatre from the side. Mark Lane or Luke Lane?
Mark Lane.
Right, from the side. One of the lane there. But the patrons enter from the front.
Right.
When you go up, the dressing room is 3 floors, ground, first and second. And the least your role is, then you go further up. Like the same gallery thing. But it was an amazing sight up there. Because we used to have some whorehouses on the lane.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
And you know how much time, Mannings especially, but not only man alone, miss them too because they're up there, look down at the people, them whorehouse.
You remember
Yes.
Pearl Harbor?
You understand?
Pearl Harbor?
No, Pearl Harbor
Oh
that
my.
Joan is talking about was the known prostitute in
Oh my
Jamaica.
God.
I saw her in the 60s and I think she was around in the 70s, maybe
Yes,
early
she was
80s
around in
too.
the
By that
70s.
time she was bedraggled.
And brown, but she wear
Brown,
bright
up.
red lipstick.
Yeah, a brown, up, middle class woman.
Yes.
Don't remember what her proper name was, but Pearl Harbor. You know why she get the name Pearl Harbor? Think about history. Pearl Harbor,
Right.
all the ship them sail in.
That's right.
All right. But she was, and I remember there are some boys teasing her the last time I saw her at the corner of Hanover Street
Oh, yeah.
and Harbour Street.
Yeah.
But there were so many prostitute
Yeah, there were a lot of
houses
whorehouses.
along Hanover Street.
Yes.
Lots of prostitute houses. As
Yeah.
a matter of fact, there was a play that the Gambriels did called, what is that called? Grace McGee was in it, Paradise Street.
Uh-huh.
And that was about a prostitute house. And the madame, the woman in charge was Lois Kelly Miller.
Yeah.
You hear me tell
His
you?
birthday was yesterday.
Yeah. Lois Kelly Miller and Miss Lou were close friends. They were foils for each other in their various productions. But yeah, there were these poorhouses, because remember, you know, where you have Jamaica Stock Exchange now, and down there, so
Myrtle Bank.
we had the Myrtle Bank Hotel.
Okay.
And that was a hotel where uncle, if you're black, you walk through you work there and you walk through the back.
That's right.
And
Okay.
the brown skin and the white people coming to the front door. And there was a journalist
Yeah.
called Evan Blake,
That's
Barbara Blake and a papa.
Yeah.
And he used to write for Spotlight, which was a PNP paper, but he was a journalist and he did his own publications. And he got a little bit fed up with the story of the way blacks were treated.
Okay.
And one day he go down a Myrtle Bank and walk through the front door and they nearly dead. But he made it even worse. You know what I do? He jumped in at the swimming pool and them couldn't get out Evan Blake. You know them get him out? They let out the water out of his
Oh
swimming
gosh.
pool.
I remember the
I didn't see it myself and I hear it, so you know,
Yeah.
and everyone is dead. But let me tell you, a lot of us don't understand some of the things that happen in this country because of color and class. You know. Serious